the rental collection management system designed exclusively for landlords or property managers. The focus is on automating workflows, minimizing manual follow-ups, providing a clear oversight of tenants, properties and payments, plus reminders. So this is how it looks like. We have different flows. On this side, on my left, we have the dashboard over here. We have the properties over here. And the properties have the property, flow unit, maintenance request, vacancy management under the properties. Okay. Then we have what we call the tenant here. Tenants, we have what we call the tenant. This is where we manage the tenants flow. Then the tenant ledger, assign tenant, and then move out checklist from the tenants this side. Then you have what we call the rent. Here we can send the rent reminders to our tenants from here. Okay. Then you have what we call the payments, payment management. You have what we call the security deposit. We have the payment history where you can view the payment history, then the payment receipts also from this side. And then we have what we call the expenses, and expense of the expenses. Then you have also the categories, and then the system gives you also the report on the tenants over here. And then you have what we call the system settings. Here is where you set your company name from. You have the company, the branch, the user, and then the permissions. This is just for the navigation on this side, as you have seen it from here. Here just it shows you who have logged into the system over here. This is a multi-user system, and then it is available on both web-based and even on desktop applications. So this is the dashboard. This gives an overview of what is taking place in the system. Okay.